How to apply for U.S. citizenship. N-400 Step-by-Step Guide 2026 Step 1, check if you are eligible. Key points. Step 2, gather your documents. Key points. Step 3, complete Form N-400 online. Key points. Steps 4 to 7, after you submit. Key points. Key concept. Timeline and cost. The N-400 process typically takes between 6 and 24 months, depending on your local USCIS office. The filing fee is $710 for online applications. Biometrics is included in the online fee. Fee waivers are available for those who qualify based on income. Tip: file your application online at my.uscis.gov for the fastest processing and to track your case status. Subscribe to Ready Ace Pass. New guides and practice tests every week.